Many times your REST API is serving different JSON, but your UI is expecting something else. Consider your REST API is serving this user ID and name, but your UI is expecting user underscore ID and user underscore name. You can convert this JSON into this JSON using JOLT. JOLT is a JSON to JSON transformation library. You just have to provide JOLT spec where you will specify that whatever value is written into ID, pick it up from that input JSON and place it under user underscore ID. Pick up name data and place it under username under user info. So Jolt will create transform JSON for you according to your Jolt spec. If you want to learn more about Jolt, you can go to udemy.com and search my course Learn Jolt JSON Transformation Library. I have explained everything about Jolt in that course. It's just a short course of 1 hour.